Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone plan supports tethering and that you have enough data. This prevents surprises later. Next, open your phone's hotspot settings and enable the hotspot, then set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password so others can't join. Also choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, depending on your laptop. Once done, plug the phone into power or top-up battery so the hotspot doesn't die mid-transfer. And note the signal strength. Now on your laptop, click the Wi-Fi icon, find the hotspot SSID you created, and enter the password exactly. This is how devices authenticate and start exchanging data. If your laptop asks, choose a private or work profile so your firewall allows necessary services. Choose public only when you need isolation. Alternatively, for USB tethering, plug the phone into a USB port and enable USB tethering on the phone, or pair via Bluetooth and enable Bluetooth tethering. These methods can be faster or more battery-friendly in some cases. You finish by confirming the connection. Load a web page or run a speed test to verify throughput and latency so you know it's usable. If pages don't load, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart either device, or reset the laptop's network adapter. These simple steps clear common glitches. If issues persist, make sure APN settings and carrier tethering permissions are correct, disable any VPNs that might block traffic, and check your data cap. These are the usual causes of stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.